We all stuck. But they called backup because they couldn't open my hood. They gave me a state ref for literally nothing. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting this vlog with the GoPro because I had all my stuff literally from my car stolen. That's including my Sony camera, my car detailing products, and like my audio, some stuff from my audio, a whole bunch of stuff. And unfortunately, I mean, it's gone. Like, there's no way I could get it back. It's just gone. I couldn't claim it through insurance. So luckily I do have a GoPro, so I am gonna be vlogging with the GoPro. I have no idea how the quality is gonna be on this GoPro, so it's like, if I'm not even in the frame, I'm sorry. I have no idea because I can't even see like how I'm vlogging, like my vlogging position, or if I'm super close or super far, or if you could even hear me. I have no idea. So I mean, if this isn't the best quality vlog, guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm trying to vlog for you guys still. Besides the fact that everything that happened and got all my stuff stolen, but I'm still trying to stay positive and keep vlogging because I'm not trying to let something negative stop the vlogs, and you know, I just want to keep going. Today we're gonna be going to a meet, and hopefully it's pretty lit. These meets usually get a little crazy, but I thought it would be awesome content for you guys. I miss YouTube and I miss you guys, and you guys left a bunch of positive feedback in the last video. Just see you guys comment more, like more. Oh my god, bro. Cops everywhere. Smoke everywhere. It's crazy.
What are your thoughts for the night, Alex?
Is it?
They had a party like in LA, not even an apartment.
Oh fuck.
Hey, where's that fool that's in the camera, bro? I'm looking for him.
I don't know, bro.
I'm gonna fade that fool for you.
Oh shit. You gonna just hop in my whip? I'm like I'm about to get robbed.
Oh my god! Stop being a bitch! I'll give you $1 for gas, bro.
Do it for the vlog, bro. What up, guys? Right-hand drive too. Damn. Look at Carlos right here too. First got into cars, I started with Acura TLs, and this is like one of the very first Acura TLs where I was like, damn, this is pretty fucking clean. So what the hell you have for this now, bro? Full bolt on?
J-pipe, 3.5 full throttle body spacer, intake, all that good stuff.
We just pulled up to Runs.
it stopped for real?
This one? Or
Any
this
of
one?
y'all? Y'all all stopped?
We all stopped.
Yeah, we're all stopped. Y'all all stopped?
We all stopped.
Y'all sure? 'Cause I ain't gonna bullshit y'all.
No cap.
Okay? Oh, damn, you got me on fucking video. That's crazy. Come on, man.
Yeah, so we came out to runs. Hopefully you guys can see it. Trying to get some GoPro footage.
I'll race you though.
What are you racing?
He has an SRT4.
No, but he walked up, he was like G35. I was like, I can't beat you. You're gonna put buses on that, so don't. Like,
Oh nah, man, it's all for fun, baby. I don't even have a camera, so you won't even go on my Instagram.
On you.
Huh?
No,
No,
got the GoPro mounted at the window?
I'm trying to get one. Though. A lot
should.
of people lying on my name, saying that I didn't beat them. You know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, you gotta get a GoPro.
Yeah, I got you. Got you.
Yes, my car is not ready for Mexico at all. But I'm doing this just for the vlog. So, if you're watching, make sure you leave a comment. Because I'm literally about to abuse the shit out of my car when it's not ready. Just for the vlog. People went north, people went south, like people were all over the place. It was hard to like keep track of where everyone was going. Couldn't get that many runs in. So I'm going to the second meetup spot. Hopefully there's more runs there, going back up or something. But as of now, I hope like people actually showed up to the second meetup spot, because I think everybody went the opposite way. So guys, on the last clip, I couldn't get any runs after that one scene. It just, a lot of the cars got lost, so I couldn't find anyone after that, so I just went home. So I came out another night, and hopefully we're gonna have some good runs. And so far there's some good cars out. I'm gonna go walk around and show you guys the cars, and hopefully the runs are lit. In the car, I'll also have a passenger. It's gonna be my girlfriend Tanya. Hi. And hopefully she gets some good videos so I can put on the vlog. And I'll see you guys on the streets of Mexico. Damn, boosted man.
How's
How does it feel?
Feels the same.
Damn, bro, that's a huge alternator, bro.
For hazy, it's kind of hot.
Oh shit! Check out these two boosted V's right here, my boys. Started racing with them NA like almost 2 years ago, and now look at them, bro. Boosted. Super clean setup. Must be nice.
A few moments later.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yes, I know it looked like a mess, but I just wanted to explain basically why my car got taken away for 30 days, or it was on a 30-day hold. Also, how I was able to get it out almost 2 days after it got taken away, so I did not have to wait the 30 days. So basically what was happening is we were in Mexico, you know, we're doing our thing. As you guys saw in the last clips, we're doing some runs. And then as we're back in the United States, you know, back in Cali, me and my homie were just cruising, and then we see a tunnel. So we start driving through the tunnel, and then he revs it, and then I rev it with my Taliban tune. And then a loud bang came out, you know, like the big fire, the famous Edmund Taliban tunes. I did it right in front of a cop, and he was literally right behind me, and I did not see it. And basically, he obviously pulled me over, and my homie, because he was also revving. So he had us pull over, and I'm like freaking out, and I'm like, dude, like, one, my driver's license was expired recently, and I didn't know that, and then my registration was expired, and I also knew that, but the only reason I didn't do my registration was because I needed a smog, and as you guys know, my Z was down for months, so how am I going to do a smog if there's not even a motor in the car? So that's why I just haven't done the registration, and I just haven't got around to it. But obviously the cops don't care. I even told them that my car was blown, and they didn't care. So they pull us over. The person was such a freaking a-hole. Like, the cops were the biggest douches ever, and dude, they were just something else. I kid you not. Like, I've been pulled over a lot of times, but these are the worst cops I have ever gotten. They were like so mean. So obviously they pull up to the car, oh, pop your hood, and as you guys know, my hood latch is broken. I can't pop my hood. And they were like, yeah, how convenient, there's a way to open it. So they were there stuck with a flashlight trying to figure out how to open my hood. And I just kept, I even showed them like my wire was snapped. I was like, you guys can't open my hood, it's literally snapped. Like, you won't be able to open it. And then, so they got super mad, so they called backup because they couldn't open my hood. And then they got really flustered with me, and then I was like, well, I told you guys, like, you can't open it. So they were mad, so they gave me a state ref for literally nothing because I had a catback. I mean, they don't know the mods I have, so literally they just gave me a state ref because my exhaust isn't even that loud, to be honest. Well, not anymore. Ever since I fixed my my exhaust leaks, like, my car is not loud. And what else did they give me? They got me for a front windshield, and also obviously the registration and the driver's license. I was with Tanya, so they asked Tanya, hey, like, since you have a valid driver's license, we will not tow the car if you're able to drive the car. And then they laughed, and then they're like, but I bet you can't drive stick. And obviously she can't. I haven't had the chance to teach her yet. She just got her license, so like, I'm kind of just waiting for her to like learn to drive a little bit more before I start teaching her how to drive like stick. And she didn't know how to drive it, so they did tow it, and the guy was like, I'm putting it on a 30-day hold, you're not going to be able to take it out, blah, blah, blah. So all this happened on a Saturday night. So on Sunday, everything was closed, so I couldn't call anyone to see if I could get it out earlier. I literally on Sunday was just in my fields, in my bed, like stuck. I have $1,500 to my name, and that $1,500 is what I use to, like, I buy and sell cars, and that $1,500 is what I was using to buy cars at the time, and I had to use it. Like, I didn't want to, and I wanted to, you know, invest it in different ways. But I just finished the Z, guys. Like, I just got it running. I got it running right. I fixed all the exhaust leaks, and everything was perfect at this point. So I was like, you know what, I'll figure it out. Like, I'll get more money somehow, but for right now, my main priority is to get the Z. So Monday comes around, I call off of work, and I start calling lawyers and stuff, and all of them just said to kind of like figure out how to get my car out sooner on my own, but they'll help me with the rest of my tickets. And they were taxing me hard. Like, I was not about to pay what they were asking. And sure enough, I call them, and then I end up calling the police station, be like, hey, is there any way I could get my car sooner? So the lady that answered was actually super cool at the police station. She's like, yeah, all you need to do is show a valid driver's license, a valid a current registration, and current insurance. So for the registration, I went to the DMV, and I kid you not, the line was so long. So I was like, dude, I'm not about to wait in this line. Like, I was in line for about an hour, and then after that, I was like, dude, I'm never gonna get this done. Like, I'm not gonna wait here. So I started going online to see if I could do it somewhere else. So then I found one of those like third-party DMVs where they do tax a little bit, but to be honest, it's a lot faster, and it's in and out kind of thing. So I go to one of those, get my registration, and they're able to give me a driving permit, basically saying that I paid my registration fees, but that I need to drive my car in order to go take it to get smogged. So that's how I was able to get it out of the impound, with that driving permit, with that temporary registration. Also, my driver's license was expired. I did that through the DMV online, paid $37 to get it renewed, and I showed them the receipt, but they didn't want to take the receipt, so they made me bring somebody else with a valid driver's license, so I brought my grandma. And then for the insurance, I did have current insurance. I just didn't have it on, like, physically on me. And I did have it on my phone, but they didn't want to take it over, like, my phone when I was pulled over. So I showed it to the other person that was helping me out at the police station, and they took it over the phone. So then they gave me the release form to go get my Z, with 5 minutes left to spare before the towing company was closed for the day, and I had to pay an extra day. I was able to get there 5 minutes before they closed, and basically paid $400 for them to release my car, because it was there for one whole day. So it was a $400 release. My registration plus the third-party fee ended up being like $330, and then for the smog that I'm still waiting to do was $300. So that's how I was able to get the car so fast. I was just had to bring all that paperwork and got that done all on a Monday. And I was able to bring home my Z, and it's home, and it's good to go, and I'm ready to start making some more videos for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment of what you guys thought about the whole experience, or just what you thought about the video. And if you guys have any video ideas, I'd love to hear them. Having your guys' input, I make videos for you guys, so if you guys have any video ideas, leave them down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop.